Between 1960 and 2018, 125 cases of rabies were reported in Americans. Can you guess the #1 cause behind those infections? Melissa Rainey has that answer.
When it comes to rabies cases in people, bats are the #1 cause. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 7 out of 10 Americans who die from rabies have been infected by bats. Researchers looked at infections from 1938 to 2018 and found 2 distinct patterns. Until 1960, most infections came from dog bites. Then, following a push for mandatory pet vaccines, that shifted. From 1960 to 2018, 70% of human rabies cases came from bat bites and scratches. 28% were from dogs outside the U.S., where rabies vaccines may not be required, and the rest were from contact with other wild animals. When an infected animal bites a human, the rabies virus is transmitted from saliva through the open wound and into the nerves. Then it goes to the brain and spinal cord, a process that can take between 3 and 12 weeks. Symptoms in humans include hallucinations, insomnia, drooling, and fear of water. The CDC recommends 3 things to prevent rabies: avoiding wildlife, vaccinating your pets, and getting medical treatment immediately if bitten by an animal. For today's Health Minute, I'm Melissa Rainey.
There's good news and bad news about U.S. adults and physical activity. More adults are exercising, but the CDC says it is still not enough. The latest report shows 25% of adults living in urban areas got enough physical activity in 2017. In 2018, it was only 19%. But experts say those rates are still too low, and adults should get 150 minutes a week of moderate intensity aerobic activities and do muscle strengthening 2 days a week.